Welcome back. In this video, we have an amazing trick for downloading YouTube thumbnail. This video is very important if you are looking to download any of the thumbnails. So we have opened the YouTube, we will downloading. We want this thumbnail to download, and this is looking very well. So I want to download this thumbnail. So this is the best website that require not any login, not any of the captcha codes, and not any of the. So you can use kinds different website requires you to use kinds captchas or first read articles, ad watching. This is the just free website. You have to simple copy and paste your link there, enter the link of YouTube video, and simple you will have to save this. So I want to save the link of this YouTube video. So first of all, I'll be copying this link, and later on you can save this link to there. And so you can see that it is giving you the three options. So you can download from there, and it's the same, the high quality thumbnail, and you can use the small and medium size thumbnails. So this is the best tutorial for the downloading YouTube thumbnails. If you are ever wondering for download YouTube thumbnail, and you are searching a lot or watching a lot of different ads, and it requires a lot of time, and even if you cannot create the good thumbnails, you want to copy or get some idea of the other big creators thumbnails, you can use this website. This is the top websites, and this is a very good website. I'm using this, so I want to share this to you. You must try this website. And there is an advice for using other creators thumbnail. Must check this the what is the biggest idea in these thumbnails. So try to create the own thumbnails of like these thumbnails. So what is the biggest idea in this thumbnail is the first of all Turkish mosque, or there is a Haji Sophia mosque, and there is a traveling, and there is a, you can see there's the water, ocean, and the biggest text and Istanbul. The only this is written, so you can uh, take this thumbnail with you, and you can create your own thumbnail. There are many free websites for creating thumbnail, and you can use the Canva for creating thumbnail. This is the today's video. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to the channel.